जय गुरुदेव एवरीवन। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है और गुरु ही भगवान शंकर है। गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्म है। ऐसे गुरु को मैं शत शत प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Jai Shardama everyone. Till last session we had learned multiplication of fraction. Today we are going to learn division of fraction. Before learning division of fraction, let us understand reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal is interchanging the numerator and denominator. Interchanging the place of numerator and denominator is reciprocal. It means if you find out the reciprocal of any fraction, its numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Now let us understand the reciprocal by this example. Here the fraction is 2 upon 3. Now what should be the reciprocal of this fraction 2 upon 3? As I told, its numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. It means the reciprocal of this number 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Now let us see 4 upon 7. What should be the reciprocal of 4 upon 7? Here numerator is 4, denominator is 7. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So the reciprocal of this fraction 4 upon 7 is 7 upon 4. Now see here. Here the number is 12. But we know that in fraction, if whole number is there, then the denominator is always 1. So here the fraction is 12 upon 1. Now the reciprocal of this fraction will be 1 upon 12. Now here the number is 1 upon 15. So the reciprocal will be 15 upon 1. These are the examples of reciprocal. Now how we will use this reciprocal in division of fraction? Let us understand by this example. Here the question is 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 7. Now how to solve it? The first fraction, that is 2 upon 5, will remain as it is, 2 upon 5. Now, in place of division sign, we need to do multiplication. 2 upon 5 multiplied by. Here, as we had changed the sign, in place of division, we had done multiplication. So, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of this, that will be 7 upon 3. Once again I am explaining you, the first fraction will not change. Then in place of division sign it will be multiplication sign, and then reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal can be also known as multiplicative inverse of fraction. That will be now 2 into 7, that will be 14, 5 3 15. So the answer of this is 14 upon 15. Now let us see this. 5 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 11. That will be the first fraction. We will write as it is 5 upon 9. In place of division sign we will write multiply by. Now 4 upon 11. The reciprocal of 4 upon 11 will be 11 upon 4. So now 5 into 11, that will be 55, and 9 4 36. Now let us see this. 12 upon nothing is there. So we can say 12 upon 1. Then in place of division we can have multiplication sign, and 4 upon 7, that can be the reciprocal of 4 upon 7, that will be 7 upon 4. So the answer is 12 7 84 upon 4. Or you can do 4 3 12. That's why the answer will be 3 into 7, that will be 21 upon 1. That will be equal to 21. Here, the first fraction is in mixed form. First we need to convert this into improper fraction, that is 5 3 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5. Then the division sign will be converted into multiplication, and 11 upon 5 will be 15 upon 11. Now again here also 15 is multiple of 5, so we can cut it. 5 1 5, 5 3 15. It will be equal to 17 into 3 upon 1 into 11. Now 17 into 3 will be 17 3 51 upon 11. This you can again convert it into the mixed number, and that will be 11 4 44, 7 upon 11. Now let us see exercise 2.4. The first question is find. Let us do some of the questions. First is 12 divided by 3 upon 4. Now as we have done in example, this will be 12 upon 1 multiplied by, in place of 3 by 4, we will write reciprocal of 3 by 4, that will be 4 upon 3. Now 3 is a factor of 12, or you can say 12 is a multiple of 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 4, that will be 16 upon 1. So this will be the answer of 12 divided by 3 upon 4. Now let us see question number 5. 3 divided by 2, 1 upon 3. Now here first we need to 3 upon 1. Now in place of division sign we need to do multiply by. Here 2 1 upon 3. This is in the mixed form, so we need to convert it into the improper fraction first. In place of first, let us convert this into the improper fraction. So that will be 2 1 upon 3. So 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Now 3 upon 1, in place of division sign we will do multiply. 3 upon 7, that is the reciprocal of 7 upon 3. So this will be 3 3 9 upon 7. Now the second question is find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. Okay, the first question is 3 upon 7. So what will be the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? That will be 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3. And now 7 upon 3 is which fraction? Proper, improper or mixed, we have to choose. The 7 upon 3 is improper fraction. As the numerator is greater than denominator, it will be improper fraction. Second question is 9 upon 7. What will be the reciprocal of this 9 upon 7? The reciprocal will be 7 upon 9. Now 7 upon 9 will be proper fraction. Now 1 upon 8. The reciprocal of 1 upon 8 will be 8 upon 1, which will be equal to 8, and this will be whole number. In this question number 2, first you need to find out the reciprocal of the number, and then you need to write it whether it is improper fraction, proper fraction or whole number. Now let us see question number 3, that is fine. First question is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. That the first fraction will remain as it is, that will be 7 upon 3 divided by, in place of 2 you can write 2 upon 1. That will be 7 upon 3. Now in place of division sign you need to do multiply by. 2 upon 1 can be written as reciprocal of 2 upon 1, that will be 1 upon 2. So 7 1 ja 7 and 3 2 ja 6. So the answer is 7 upon 6. Let us do question number 4. 1 upon 3 divided by 3. Again here this is in mixed fraction. So 7 4 3 ja 12 plus 1, that is 13 upon 3 divided by. Here 3 and denominator is nothing is there in place of denominator, so 3 upon 1. Now 13 upon 3, in place of division sign we will do multiply. 3 upon 1 we will do 1 upon 3. So the answer will be 13 1 ja 13 and 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. Now again this is in improper fraction. If you want you can convert it into the mixed number, that is 9 1 ja 9. Remainder is 4 upon 9. Now let us see question number 4. Find 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 will remain as it is, 2 upon 5. In place of division sign we will do multiplication sign, 1 by 2. So the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. 2 2 ja 4 and 5 1 ja 5. So the answer is 4 upon 5. Let us see question number 7, that is 3 1 upon 5 divided by 1 2 upon 3. Now here both the fractions are in mixed form. First we need to convert this into improper fraction. 5 3 the 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5 divided by 3 1 the 3 plus 2, that is 5 upon 3. Now both are in the improper fraction, so we can now divide it, that is 16 upon 5 multiplied by reciprocal of 5 upon 3, that will be 3 upon 5. 16 3 ja 48 and 5 5 ja 25. This is the answer, 48 upon 25. If you want, you can convert it into the improper mixed number, that is 25 1 ja 25 and the remainder is 23 upon 25. The rest of the question or the remaining question is your homework. Thank you.